Embracing domestic manufacturing, navigating the shift towards made in the USA. Introduction. In recent years, the beauty industry has experienced a rapid shift toward domestic manufacturing, driven by several key factors, including rising consumer interest in ethical sourcing, transparency, and sustainability. For beauty brands, embracing the Made in the USA label is no longer just about patriotism or marketing. It's becoming a strategic move to meet the growing demand for clean, sustainable, and ethically produced products. From a consumer perspective, products made locally offer a sense of trust, safety, and authenticity, while also supporting the economy. As global supply chains continue to face challenges, such as disruptions caused by the pandemic, geopolitical instability, and trade tariffs, many beauty companies are reconsidering their manufacturing strategies. The US beauty market is increasingly leaning toward locally made products, pushing brands to adapt. This article will explore why the trend toward domestic manufacturing is gaining traction, how it benefits beauty brands, and actionable steps for companies looking to make the shift. The growing demand for Made in the USA, the rise of domestic manufacturing in the beauty industry can be attributed to several evolving market trends and consumer demands. Shifting values among consumers, particularly millennials and Gen Z, have played a pivotal role in this transformation. Research shows that a growing number of consumers prefer products made in the USA due to concerns about ethical labor practices, environmental impact, and product quality. The Made in the USA label signifies more than just national pride. It has become a mark of trustworthiness, safety, and authenticity. In a report by Nielsen, over 60% of consumers said they are willing to pay more for products that align with their ethical values, such as sustainability and ethical sourcing. Domestic production aligns with these values by ensuring stricter quality controls, ethical labor practices, and a smaller carbon footprint compared to overseas manufacturing. For beauty brands, tapping into this demand for domestic products means standing out in a crowded market. Brands that commit to local production can emphasize their sustainability practices, use fewer resources for shipping, and present their products as fresher and more trustworthy. This creates an opportunity for beauty businesses to increase market share by offering a higher perceived value. Benefits of domestic manufacturing for beauty brands. 1. Cost efficiency in the long run. While domestic manufacturing can initially seem expensive due to labor costs, shipping expenses, and higher overheads, the long-term benefits often outweigh these challenges. 1. For example, brands that manufacture locally can avoid shipping fees, lengthy delivery times, and the risks of supply chain disruptions. 1. With the advent of advanced technologies and automation, US manufacturers are also becoming more cost competitive, providing beauty brands with affordable production options. 2. Stronger brand transparency and trust. Consumers are increasingly prioritizing brands that are transparent about their sourcing and manufacturing processes. 2. By manufacturing in the US, beauty brands can gain greater control over the production process, ensuring higher standards for product quality, labor practices, and environmental impact. 2. This transparency builds trust with consumers who are increasingly scrutinizing the businesses they support. 3. Improved sustainability. Domestic manufacturing typically results in fewer emissions associated with transportation, which contributes to a lower carbon footprint. 3. This is crucial for beauty brands seeking to enhance their sustainability efforts, as eco-conscious consumers continue to demand greener options. 3. Furthermore, local manufacturing allows companies to reduce waste and use more sustainable packaging, enhancing their brand image as environmentally responsible. 4. Reduced supply chain disruptions. Global supply chains are vulnerable to various disruptions, from natural disasters to political tensions. 4. By shifting production to the US, beauty brands reduce the risk of delays in receiving raw materials or finished products. 4. A more localized supply chain allows for better responsiveness to market demand, minimizing inventory shortages and allowing for quicker product innovation. Actionable steps to shift toward domestic manufacturing. If you are a beauty brand considering the shift to domestic manufacturing, here are actionable steps you can take. 1. Evaluate your current supply chain. Begin by analyzing your current supply chain and identifying the most significant pain points, such as high shipping costs, long lead times, or quality control issues. 1. This will help you understand how domestic manufacturing could resolve these challenges. 1. Also, consider the potential impact on your pricing and margins before making a final decision. 2. Identify domestic manufacturers with expertise in beauty products. Research US-based manufacturers who specialize in beauty products, including skincare, cosmetics, haircare, and packaging. 2. Partnering with experienced manufacturers who are familiar with beauty industry standards will be critical to maintaining product quality. 3. Assess production costs. While initial costs may seem higher when manufacturing domestically, take the time to assess the long-term value, including the potential for higher pricing, fewer returns, and enhanced brand loyalty. 3. Collaborate with local manufacturers to negotiate competitive pricing, ensuring that production remains cost-effective. 4. Collaborate with sustainable packaging providers. If your goal is to improve your brand's sustainability, choose local packaging suppliers who prioritize eco-friendly materials. 4. Packaging is a key component of the beauty industry's environmental footprint, and by using local suppliers that align with your sustainability values, you can reduce carbon emissions from shipping and contribute to a greener world. 5. Educate your customers. Once you make the transition to domestic manufacturing, communicate this shift with your customers. 5. Use your website, social media, and packaging to highlight the benefits of your new manufacturing approach, whether it's reduced carbon emissions, better quality control, or ethical sourcing. 5. Customers will appreciate your transparency and commitment to local manufacturing. Food for thought. What are the potential risks and benefits of transitioning to domestic manufacturing in your brand's case? How can you effectively communicate this change to your customers to boost brand loyalty? Conclusion: domestic manufacturing is an opportunity for beauty brands to enhance their sustainability, increase transparency, and build stronger relationships with their customers. While the process may require upfront investment, the long-term benefits, such as cost savings, improved product quality, and brand trust, make it a strategic move that aligns with the growing demand for ethical, local production. For beauty brands looking to stay ahead of the curve, embracing the "Made in the USA" label is not just about capitalizing on a trend, it's about making a responsible and sustainable choice that will benefit both your business and the planet.